Let's talk about photosynthesis. It's the process where plants and other organism cells use carbon dioxide, water, and light energy in the presence of chlorophyll to make oxygen and glucose. Did you know plants, algae, and a group of bacteria called cyanobacteria are organisms capable of photosynthesis? Here's the diagram explaining stages of photosynthesis. Energy produced in photosynthesis is transferred into food products like meat and dairy, bread, flour, pasta, desserts, and drinks. Like, follow, and subscribe us to receive more interactive learning tips and tricks.